Another beautiful vehicle. Value priced thousands below the market value, presenting a pre-owned 2009 Honda Odyssey EX. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 158,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.
Please call Dan at 609-877-550.